Hello everyone, it's really happy to see you all. So in this video we are going to treat this vitiligo patch. We are going to do the patch test for him, not the full places. So we are going to take a small place on this leg part and we are going to do the patch test on that. And we have attached our contact number in the display. You can call us if you have any more doubts regarding this treatment. So the treatment has been started now and it's slowly getting and it started mingling with the exact skin tone. Actually, the client comes all the way from Malaysia to get this treatment done. So we are getting a clients from all over the world. So we would like to inform all the clients to please book an appointment prior and then come down, because many of the times there is a lot of huge waiting period will be there, so it will be little struggleful. So please book an appointment and then visit us. In that way you can save your time, as well as artist also will be completely available for you to provide the service. And this cannot be done by every artist. This required a special skill. So this required a complete skill. So only a particular artist called Machu, he can be able to do it. He is the certified person from the America. So I am one of the American Academy member over there, Micropigmentation Academy. So if you guys have any more doubts, I am really happy to share my knowledge to you guys. Please do contact us. It's a free consultation. Our team can help you out, and then you can book an appointment and you can come down. And I can see many of the clients coming from a different countries as well as different state. So I do completely understand you guys needs to book the flight earlier itself. So please call them and ask them appointments on a different date, so you'll be get a much more better idea, and you can book the travel dates and the tickets accordingly. And near to our place itself there is a lot of hotels, to say business class hotels to normal economy hotels also available, so you can stay on that. So that's not the issue at all. So this treatment now currently available in a Bangalore branch, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. If you guys have any doubts, please do contact us and don't die nude.